A Supreme Court decision gives a grandmother justice for her grandson and holds state police accountable in a wrongful death lawsuit. WLKY's Mark Vanderhoff spoke with the woman who says this case is about more than her grandson.
Virginia Gaither says this Supreme Court decision will give her the money to pay for a headstone that she believes her grandson deserves. But she says this decision is even more important because she hopes it will prevent others from dying the way he did.
The state police took my grandson out, and they didn't protect him like they should have, and he wound up dead.
The Kentucky Supreme Court issued a unanimous decision. Kentucky State Police should not have used LeBron Gaither as a confidential informant once his cover was blown. Gaither of Lebanon was 18 when he was killed in 1996. He had worn microphones while buying drugs for the state police, then testified in front of a grand jury in Marion County. The Supreme Court said testifying exposed his identity and led to his death at the hands of a drug dealer who discovered he was an informant.
I would never want this to happen to another family, to go through what we have went through since the day I found out that my grandson was murdered.
Virginia Gaither sued and won a $168,000 judgment, but that decision was overturned. 18 years after her grandson's death, the Supreme Court ruled in her favor and restored $148,000 of the judgment. She hopes the decision will change the way police handle informants.
I've been fighting this long and hard, and it wasn't actually for the money. It was for the proof. I wanted to prove to people that these people were wrong.
Virginia Gaither says she hopes this Supreme Court decision will also help her grandson rest in peace. Mark Vanderhoff, WLKY News.
The man who was convicted of killing LeBron Gaither, Jason Knoll, is serving a life sentence.